Hey guys, and welcome back to another video tutorial. Today I'm going to be doing template number 6. So I have these 3 sheets of paper out to show you what you would get with a digital file of template number 6. With template number 6 you get a PDF, a SVG. The digital packet is a PDF, a SVG, a PNG file, and a DXF file. And so those work with your various, specifically for Cricut and Silhouette machines, and also PDF for you to print at home. So you would get 3 separate pages, and this would be like the first, second, and third page. And the way I've made this flower set, I've done it with six individual petals of each size. And so for the first page, you need to print out 6, or you need to have 6 pieces of paper for that, a cardstock paper, 3 for the second layer, and 2 for the third page, and that's the final layer. So I just wanted to show you how it looks. It essentially looks like this. Okay, so let me put that to the side. So today, and also with this template, you don't have to do any type of curling. You only need to cut that center slit. There's no curling or anything like that involved. And I'm going to show you real quick how easy it is to cut out this template. So I'm going to take one of these pieces of paper. You can either trace it and then cut out like that. I just like to use that one sheet of paper, and I just go around it. I do not like tracing. I think that's an extra step that is not needed for me, but if it's needed for you, then by all means take that extra step. And I have here a stack of 3 cardstock paper that I'm cutting out at once. I wanted to show you how easy it was to cut it out, and also I got tired of loading my Cricut Maker back and forth for this one. Like these 2 are easy because this is only 2 sheets of paper and it's only 3, and it cuts out multiple at once. But the ones that only cut out 1 per page is just so ridiculously tedious. Okay, so for this one, I'm going to start by just doing a slit down the middle. I'm going to go a little bit past a third. That's almost half, actually. That's okay. Let's go a little bit under half, and a little bit over a third. I'm going to do that for all 3 stacks. Like I said, this one is super easy because it looks beautiful without any type of curling, and it's super fast once you get through the cutting stage. So let's dive right in. And this is okay, it's like a little jagged edge, that's fine. It's not going to be seen in the final product, so it's perfectly fine. But if you are a perfectionist and you don't want to see that, how you avoid that, you definitely make sure you break it up. If these are 6 sheets of paper that was stacked together, you can break it up into like 3 each, and then cut it that way. But it doesn't get seen in the final product, so it doesn't bother me. I'm choosing to do 6. You can also do 5 individual petals for each layer. I've tested that out. I preferred the way the 6 petals look, so that's what I'm making like the standard for this. But I did test it out with 5, and that wasn't a bad look either. So actually, I'm just gonna do half so I can tuck that last one under. Just gonna place it on my base. And the second one, do the full bottom. So I'm using a hexagon base, and it's a little bigger than I would prefer, but in the digital files you will get the correct base. I'm just using what I have on hand right now and what I already printed out, cut out. And this also shows you that if you do have a base that's too big, or if you have a base that's too small, you can still work with the flower. I'm gonna have a better base so that you don't really have to do too much guesswork of how far back you need to, how far in the middle you need to go. Okay, so I got that layer. Now the second layer, so I'm only going to do on one side, on that left side, so that I can tuck it under as I go around. And I'm putting it in the middle of these 2 flowers, petals. This template is so simple because it's just beautiful without any curling or any real manipulation to the petals. You just gotta do one cut down the middle and you're good to go. The hardest part about this flower set will be to just cutting, which is always tedious. Cutting out the individual petals, which is always a tedious task, no matter what. Okay, and then I'm going to dab glue, smear that down. My last layer. This is the layer that counts, so I definitely do this. Only glue the left side on that last layer because that's the layer that really gets seen. You can skip it on all the other layers, but that last layer, it's really seen. If you like that neat look of it being tucked under, definitely want to do that step. And I'm going to place a dab of glue. Now I have all these little strings from the glue, the hot glue. I'm just going to get rid of them before I place my center. Okay, seems to all be gone. So I'm going to use this gold center. I made so many of these, so I'm going to be using this. I probably, if I was doing this specifically for this project, I would make it a bit bigger, but I have so many of these that I just have to use it. I'll even show you. so many. I'm gonna place that in the center. And there you go. You really can't mess up with this template. It's super easy, super fast. I have here my prototype flower that I did just to test out how I wanted to make this template. And I made so many mistakes with this. If I turn it over, you will see that I ripped it off. Like, I started off with a 5 petal to see how that looked. I didn't really want it, so I ripped that off the base, and then you can see the torn marks there. In the middle, I wasn't gluing it correctly. Like, it's just so many mistakes. So many mistakes with this flower, but look at the finished product. You can't even tell. I even made mistakes with cutting it and not taking my time. And the finished product, you can't really tell. So I'm going to bring back the purple. And I'm going to measure it. So this is looking about 21 inches. 21 and 22 inches. Thanks for watching.